Today I'm going to show you a case study of MLS. We have automated the process. I'm going to show you the process, like how long it would take for my client to process everything. So let's say we have seller leads, we have agents, and we have zip codes. And I'm going to share you why we have separate apps for each kind of data. So let's say my client has to log in every day to MLS, and he has to open browser, enter this URL, and input his username and password. So when he would log in, then he has to go through from all these security checks, and then it would show me the dashboard. As you can see, dashboard is here, and I would go into clients because I have saved filters here. I can apply a new filter, but right now I'm gonna show you to the save filters. So it's loading right now. So as soon it's gonna show me, oh, I think I have clicked on wrong email. To email, I would check. So I have created this filter here. When I would click that, it would allow me to open a portal. So all the filters I have saved here, then it would filter out the properties and it would show me the today's list. Okay. So as you can see, just let it load. So as you can see, there are multiple properties we have on this page. So I have to copy each property's MLS ID, agent information, a bed bath for each property, asking price for each property, everything related to property available here. I have to copy one by one and I have to add into my CRM. And I have to make sure, okay, there's no duplication for that. And when I would find that duplication, when I would add all the information here. So I have to add if there is owner information, then I would add here. Otherwise, I would add agent information here, zip code, county, and all the property information in here. So we do have different buckets. We have properties in here. We have agents in agent bucket. Then I would add a new agent here, his phone, email address, license ID, which I'm getting from this page, his phone number, email, and then I have to add zip code for that property. So that when that zip code would be added, then I would visit the huduser.government website to find the rental price for one bed, two bed, three and four bed. So then I would be able to calculate, okay, what offer, what percentage of asking price should I offer to this person. So as you can see, it's going to take my 5 to 7 minutes from copying each field from here and start inputting into here, here, and here, right? So so if we have more than 30 or 35 properties here, as I can see, it's more than 30 properties, then it's going to take 4 or 5 hours of mine, right? So I don't have as much time, or my client don't have as much time. As you can see, there are 96 total listing on this page. So when we click on this more results, then we are going to get more results. So everything I should find here, add in here, and send an offer would take days for me to process this. So I have automated all this process. Everything is automated. System automatically goes into the MLS, log in into the MLS, extract the properties, extract the real information, right information, input into the CRM, and creates the offer, creates the PDF, and send the offer to the agent, right? So in next video, I'm going to explain that process, how it used to do. Thank you.